everyone, welcome back to my channel Tutelage, a guide to learner. Here, this is Sriparna. I hope all of you are doing well. We all know that UGC Net exam is one of the most important examination in our life, and it includes both general and subject papers. So today we are going to explain general paper. Okay, so chapter's name is mathematical reasoning and aptitude, and we all know that which is one of the most important chapter in this examination. Okay, so we have already discussed the first three chapters, teaching aptitude, research aptitude, and last chapter, that is communication. Okay, so if you have missed my previous sessions, so please go and check it once. All previous sessions links are available in my first comment and my description box. So please go and check it once. So learner, mathematical reasoning and aptitude includes some topics such as coding, decoding, blood relations, direction, series, and mathematical reasoning. But today we are going to discuss only the mathematical reasoning part, and we all know these topics are an important part of paper 1 of NTA UGC NET exam, and with consistent practice you can score full marks in this examination. So move on to the next slide, and here we can see basic mathematical reasoning. So basic mathematical reasoning includes some uh, areas. So that is first area, that is age related problem. Second one, that is calendar series problem. Third one is ratio, percentage, and proportion related problems. Fourth one is average related problems. Fifth one is speed, distance, time related problems. Sixth one is fraction related problems. Seventh one, that is profit and loss related problems. uh, Second last one, that is interest related problems, and last point, that is discounting related problems. Okay, so now going to the main discussion. So learner, before going to the discussion or to start practice session, we have to know basic information about calendar series problems. Okay, so here we can see some calculation for odd days. Okay, so here we can see at first one ordinary year. So that means the which is not leap year. Okay, so that is called the ordinary year, like 1997. Okay, so 1997 is a ordinary year. So one ordinary year equals to 52 weeks, we all know that, and one odd day. Okay, one leap year, some for example 2000. So 2000 sorry, one leap year equals to 52 weeks plus 2 odd days, remaining 2 odd days. Okay, 100 years. All informations are needed to solve the calendar series problem. Okay, so just keep it in mind, learner. Okay, so one ordinary year equals to 52 weeks plus one odd day. One leap year is equals to 52 weeks plus 2 odd days. 100 years equals to 76 ordinary years plus 24 leap year, that equals to 5 odd day. 200 years, uh, that indicates 3 odd days. uh, 300 years indicate 1 odd day, and 400, 800, 1200, 1600 years indicate 0 odd day. So that means there is no odd day. Okay, all day are even. Okay, so one ordinary year equals to 52 weeks plus one odd day. One leap year equals to 52 weeks plus 2 odd days. 100 years equals to 76 ordinary years, and 24 leap years equals to 5 odd days. Um yeah, 200 years equals to 3 odd days. 300 years equals to 1 odd day, and 400, 800, 1200, 1600 years equals to 0 odd day. Okay, so those are basically needed to solve the calendar series problem. Just keep it in mind. Okay, so after sharing those type of information and basic formula, we will practice it with example in detail, and we will include previous year questions also. Okay, so now going to the next slide, and here we can see another some information for the for calculation which is needed for calendar series problem. Okay, so we have already told 0 odd days, 1 odd day, 2 odd day, 3 odd day, 4 odd day, 5th odd day, 5 odd days. But odd days indicates which day. So 0 odd day indicates uh, 1 minute, Sunday. 1 odd day indicate that is Monday. 2 odd day indicates day is Tuesday. Odd day 3 indicates day is Wednesday. Odd day 4 indicates the day is Thursday. Odd day 5 indicates the day is Friday. Odd day 6 indicate the day is Saturday. Okay, so just keep it in mind. In my next session we will practice it with example in detail. Okay, so now going to the next formula. So we can see a basic formula for average related problem. Okay, so the basic formula of average, that is sum of all observation. Just a minute, learner, just change the color because both color are same here. Okay, so the basic formula of average is equals to sum of all observation in the series divided by number of observation. Okay, so in the series, for example, we can say 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what is the value of average of this series? Because sum of all observations, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that means 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 1 15. So sum of all observations, that is 15. 15 divided by number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are 5 observations. So 15 divided by 5. So the average is 3. I think this is clear. What is the basic formula of average? So average is equals to sum of all observation in the series as a numerator, and which is divided by the number of observation as denominator. So now going to the next formula for another area of mathematical reasoning, and the area is distance, speed and time. Okay, so here we can see distance equals to speed into time. Distance equals to distance indicates d, speed equals to s and time equals to t. So d equals to s by t. And now move on to the previous slide, and here we can see, so we have already told distance d is equals to s, that means speed, into t, that is time. So speed is d by t equals to speed. So here we can see the formula of speed, that is equals to distance as numerator and which is divided by the time which is indicated by t as denominator. So what is the formula of speed? So speed is equals to distance by time. So this is the basic relationship between distance, speed and time, because distance is equals to speed into time. So speed equals to distance by time, and time equals to distance by speed. Okay, so going to the next slide, and here we can see that time equals to distance by speed. So T is equals to D by S. I think this is clear from this relationship between distance, speed and time. So I think this is clear. So now going to the next formula. So no, uh, this is not a next formula of another areas. This is basically related to the um, speed, distance, and time related problems. Okay, so just keep it in mind, learner, when you are converting kilometer per hour into meter per second, so just multiply it with 5 by 18. Okay. So when you are converting kilometer per hour into meter per second, just given digit is multiplied by 5 by 18. So 5 by 18 uh, is one of the most important thing for converting kilometer per hour into meter per second. And now going to the next one, that is, if the ratio of speed of two persons is A is to B, which is equals to the ratio of time taken by them to cover equal distance, will be B is to 1. Just reverse, okay? So speed of two person is equals to, if ratio of speed of two person is A is to B or any digit, so 4 is to 5 or 3 is to 4, any digit, then ratio of time taken by them to cover equal distance will be B is to 1. That means just reverse. So 4 is to 5, then 5 is to 4, the ratio of speed. Okay, so sorry, ratio of time. If the ratio of speed is 4 is to 5, then the ratio of time is 5 is to 4. If the ratio of speed is 3 is to 4, then the ratio of time is 4 is to 3. I think this is clear. This is a reverse relationship. And now going to the last one, that is the average speed formula. So basically the formula of average speed, that is 2xy as a numerator divided by x plus y as denominator. So I think this is clear, and so I think it will basically help to solve out problems easily. And when you are calculating average speed of portions, you have to use this formula. So average speed equals to 2xy divided by x plus y. Okay, so now going to the last part, and here we can see this is a thank you slide, because we are done for the today's session. I hope this session will be a very useful session to everyone. If you like my session, so do not forget to like, share, comment, and please do some support and subscribe to my channel for getting more useful session. I will come again with a new session. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you to all of you. Happy learning. Keep commenting.